Hello one, so it's come time for part 6, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, we got this nice gold plated pins or knobs or whatever it's called, and contacts from the relays. Such a nice material. Anyway, it's showing up 128 grams, and I believe about 10 grams is just self plastic box. So I decide to use only 100 grams because I have another box with same materials, so will be quite nice. Oh yeah, nice numbers. Anyway, I will just drop some of it to this box, and we'll go with 100 grams of these materials, and I believe I have around 110 grams, something like that. Anyway, zero that. There is still some waste material from the last one. I shouldn't supposed to do that, but I just shake off all copper. It was like 2-3 millimeters thicker than the iron, but it's already beginning to build up, the new one, and you can see how much iron go into solution and push out the copper out. Anyway, never mind, let's just get our reaction jar, zero that, not off, I said zero. Okay, anyway, and we just drop 100 grams of those material inside. So will be almost all of them. Dang, 102 and so much left. Anyway, now I need to fish it up. Let's try. Jump. Okay, one has 1 gram. Yeah, but my scale is not really very accurate. Yeah. Anyway, standing at the 100, we can try it. Yeah, I have one more accurate scale, so let me get it out. Okay, let's get funny. I put scale on the scale, and this one is zeroed up and zeroed up in here, and we are, no, it's not, sorry, I need to redo it. So it's supposed to be here, just like that, and it's supposed to be at 0, and it is at 0 right now. Okay, perfect. And this one as well. So let's try to play with that, and it's supposed to be 100 grams, so those marks should be around here. Let's just see what will happen. We are at 85. Nothing left in the jar, and we are at mark almost 100. We are close. Give one more. Okay, now one is not enough. I believe we are really close. Yeah, it looks like we are at 100 grams exactly. I don't know how accurate is this one because I don't see any marking, but anyway, if we switch for the other scale, it's supposed to show up 100 as well. And let's see. Come on. It's showing like a little bit over 100. And this one showing 104. But anyway, that was a little fun. So those tiny pile, let's agree we had like 100 grams of materials. So let's just drop it into the reaction jar. So let me do it, and then yeah, we will play with it further. Whoa, easy there. I dropped one. I feel one hitting my boots, and it's right in here. Don't collect the mess. Anyway, perfect. So we had our 100 grams of pins. Let's just slowly start our reaction and playing with this one. So see you soon. Okay, so what I will just do now, I will just at first start my fan, so it will be a bit more noisy, but anyway, later on I will just cover it with the HCl for begin. Just like that. I will also give a little bit of hydrogen peroxide for this. Later on I will just cover it and let the chemicals do the job and give it some time and heat. So that's it, guys. If some reaction will show up, I will bring you back. So okay, guys, so there is tiny bubbles coming out, so it means the reaction already begin. And right now all of our base metals getting eaten out, but we got only hydrochloric acid inside plus a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. So not much going on, but as the temperature will grow a little bit more, around a little bit over 40 degrees, that will be a little bit better. But it's already started, so just want to show you guys. Looking good for now. Hello guys, so that's the look of this iron bar what I dropped last time. See, all solution get slightly lighter, it's not that dark anymore, and this is our copper just right there. And cell bars look like that. This one and the other one just break down, but it's still a little bit copper inside, so I will leave it like it is. And also there is our copper. Hello everyone. So I was cooking this for like 3 days already, and there is no more reaction. Even I add extra acids or hydrogen peroxide, no change. So I will just replace the acids. As you can see how dark it turns, so it means it dissolves something. And now we begin to dissolve all the wood stuff. So let me just decant it, and then we will go further from that. Okay, that's our materials. Looking not so bad. Cool. And this time we go with the water first, tiny bit. Just like that. And then we go with the acid. This for now should be enough. And let's give a little bit of nitrates. Cover back on. And now we need to warm it up and wait for a reaction to begin. Okay, first bubbles begin to show up, so it means our solution starting to work on dissolving all the metals, so that's a good sign. And soon probably we'll change the color as well and get darker. Anyway, let's see what happened. Okay, so another day. I just cook it for like 2 days, I believe. I already shut down the heating. That's the solution, color and look. There is some leftovers, like these self buttons, but anyway, all gold look like it's dissolved. So let's just make a quick test. Grab some of the solution in here, and where is this? In here. It's supposed to turn black or dark, whatever. So just put some drops of it on it. Right away, dark stains. So it means we got good amount of gold in this solution. So what I will do, I will just filter it, cool it, dilute it with water and inox it, of course, and then we can participate the gold again. So see you then. Okay, I don't know what just happened. I just add distilled water and it turned like bright yellow. So let's try to have it on the record, just in case something will happen. Now I'm trying to denox it, so okay, look good for me. Okay, there's still something floating on it. Okay, so that's the leftovers. Anyway, let's filter it one more time. Okay. Look like I damaged the filter, so that's why it's something go through. So I will try with the double. Okay, attempt number 2. Okay, I lose few drops. No good. Okay, now looking much better. Okay, there we have it. Nice solution. Let's just give it a swirl and try to dissolve our gourd. So that's the moment of truth. So SMB hop in. What will happen now? Nothing. Okay, finally something going on. I believe I may not denox it enough. That's why reaction takes so slow. Okay, so anyway, I have to go now, but I will just give it time for settle and then we all see what we end up with. But even though there was not so much reaction, actually it was a lot of reaction but very slow. Anyway, the gold was in the solution as we're testing at the beginning, so it's still in the same jar either way. So we give it some time for settle and then we all see what we will have in there, and if not, then we will fight with the solution in different ways. So let's just give it some time now. Okay, so guys, So few hours passed, and that's the look of our solution. We got some settlements at the bottom. Look, quite nice amount. Anyway, so let's just test the solution if there is no gold left. So let's grab some tiny, and there's also floating something on the top as well. So let's grab some tiny sample, just like there. Should be good. And try to put our Stanus test. No, I hide it. So let's try. Nope. No more gold in the solution. So that's good. So we are ready for filtration and then drying. Okay guys, so that's the effect without filter. Quite nice looking bunch. Anyway, we will do the same like with the last one. We just drop it into the filter and then weight it up later on. So I already started. So let's check out part 6 end up result. This time I used different filters, so let's check it out. This is totally new one. 2 grams as well. Anyway, same like the other one, but those is more shitty one. I rather to use the other ones. Very easy to break it. Anyway, let's zero that. Get rid of this one. Still have zero. No, minus 2 grams. So it's the same weight as the last one. Anyway, that's the result from the snobs material. So okay, 2 grams, 4 grams. So it's between 2 and the 4. Let's say 3 grams. Yeah, my scale is not very accurate. Okay, let's just 0 0 2 grams, 0 again, 4 grams. Okay, so the knobs, it has 4 grams of gold on them. So what I have left, only one type of pins, and it's this one. If I manage how to open it with one hand. There we go. But I still didn't find out the way to separate it from the plastic, because on this stage they take a lot of space, so I have to use a lot of acids. Anyway, at the worst case scenario, I will just end up with cutting each and every one to separate. Anyway, that's never mind for now. We will think about it later on. Second materials comes out 4 grams of gold powder. So that is great. No, but we added with filter. So it's minus 2. Okay, so we got another 2 grams. Sorry, 2 grams of material. So at all, from 2 kinds of materials, we end up with 4 grams of gold powder. Anyway, there is second material. There is first material. Let's zero it up. 4 grams. And another 4 from here. 8 minus 2 for each filter equal 4 grams. Still 4 grams of gold. That's not bad, I believe. Anyway, cool. So see you at the next part, and hope you all enjoy that as I do. And one more time, see you next time.